setup that I have for the Atari VCS. Gotta keep it quick because there's a gazillion of these videos out there and kind of worthless for me to just go on how these are set up. I'm just gonna show you what I got. So here's the basic setup. You got mouse keyboard. I'm using currently a PlayStation knockoff controller that's wired. My backup is a wireless Xbox 360 I use for, I use a dongle with that on the back. You can see my wired mess. I have a USB hub with the keyboard and mouse hooked up to that. I have an external SSD, and that is holding Batacero. And as far as my Atari VCS, you can see it's connected to the back of my monitor there, and I'm using wired connection there. I've updated it. The RAM is up to 16 gigabytes. I have an M.2 drive that's holding Windows. That's a 1 terabyte drive, and I'm using like a thin client clamp to hold this to the back of this monitor using a base mount, which is very handy. So let's flip it back. And then the other unique thing I guess I have with this is the boot manager. Let's boot it up. Let's wait for the pregnant pause. Oh, there we go. Looks like it's coming up. That's my splash screen for the bootloader. And as you can see, no, you really can't, so I better zoom in. Yeah, there we go. So the three things I'm booting to is Windows, Atari, and Batacero. There's a few other functions below that, but that's I spent a lot of time customizing this bootloader. This is the refined bootloader. I'm gonna have a bunch of notes in the description about all the stuff I used. And let's pick one. Let's boot up to Batacero. And there we go. I think I'll end the video right here. I think you've seen all you really need to see because there's all sorts of other videos to get you to this point. So I hope this helps or gives you some ideas at least as far as what you can do.